Hello, my name is Peter Lemus. I am the Field Application Engineer for EnGenius Technologies. In this video, I am going to show you how to configure an EnGenius device with the Linkyfi Captive Portal Service. Alright, let's get started. We start by verifying that the access point is online. Now we are going to configure the SSID so that it communicates with the Linkyfi service. We go to the icon on the screen, which is the Configure menu. We select Access Point and select SSID. There is a factory SSID, which is the EnGenius Wi-Fi. We are going to eliminate it to start from 0. To create a new SSID, we simply press the Add SSID button in this tab. We are going to choose the name of our SSID. We will choose the name Linkyfi Paribas. The other configuration that we will do is the type of security. It is important to select Open Mode since the Linkyfi service will authenticate the users. To save the initial changes and the creation of the SSID, you must press Apply. You will receive a success notification. We can go back to the page to verify that our SSID has been created. Now we are going to go to the Captive Portal tab. We have to enable Captive Portal. Then we have to select Custom Radius. We have to fill the authentication type for the custom radius. Enter this IP number. For the port, it will be left in default mode 1812. For the secret, we will use the factory one that is provided to us from the website. Copy and paste the secret in the available area. Now we are going to activate the accounting server. This will enable to establish a connection with the Linkyfi server. We are going to use the same IP address and the secret used in server 1. The only difference between them is the port number. Now we are going to specify the redirection of users to a specific URL. Please enter the following web address. Now we are going to create a wall garden. We press the button with the plus sign and we will put the following domain. We press the button with the plus sign again and we will put the same IP number that we used for the custom radius servers. Now disable the HTTPS login since the Linkyfi service will take care of that. Finally, press Apply. The next step, you have to go to the Splash Page tab. We are going to select External Splash Page URL. Now we will enter the following address. Now press Apply. The last step for the configuration by the EnGenius side is to obtain the SSID code. We are required to do this since the SSID name is decoded due to our security. For this we have to extract the SSID in its code form. Here we will show you how to achieve it. We start off by pressing F12 to enable the Developer Tools interface in the browser. We refresh the EnGenius Cloud page to start capturing the information we need. Now we go to the developer page. In the filter area, we enter SSID-profile. This will filter the SSID information and expose it in its code form. We navigate through the profiles and we need to find the profile that shows the following information. In this example, we can see that there it is giving us the SSID code. Normally this is located between networks and policy. We will copy the code and then add it to the Linkyfi account. Very good. Now we will continue with the configuration in the Linkyfi portal. We go to the User Enrollment tab and select User Journey. Now we are going to create an SSID within the Linkyfi service in order to decode the SSID that comes from the EnGenius Access Point. We enter to Access Settings. We are now going to press the red button with the plus sign. This is where we will name this SSID with the code that we obtained from the developer page. Press Save. Ready. Now we will return to the User Journey menu and create a portal. For this demonstration, we will create a basic portal. We press the Create New button. We enter a name, Linkyfi Paribas. We press Next. Now we are going to add a logo. For this test, we are going to add a basic button function to be able to follow up on the authentication. We will only select the Submit button. We press Save. Before we can save the changes in this window, we will see a preview of how the portal will look on the devices. We press Next to see it only on a mobile device. Finally, we press Accept and Save. As you can see, we have already created our portal called Linkyfi Paribas. Now go back to the main page of User Journey to create a page flow. Press the Create New button. For the name, I will put Linkyfi Paribas. Press Next. Now we are going to press the blue button with the plus sign and we select Portal. We select the portal that we created previously and we press Select. Now we go to the menu where there are three little dots that are next to the Submit button. We are going to select Node and we will select Internet Access. We will choose the desired parameters for the type of Internet access. Once you have finished configuring, press Save. Very good, now we are going to add a landing page. In this demonstration we will use a website. We will enter the Google domain. Click Add. Press Save. We can confirm that the Page Flow Manager is already created. Now we go back to the main page of User Journey. We are going to link the accessing settings with the page flow. We simply enter Access Settings, then we select the SSID that we are going to link. We select the menu with the three dots and select Attach Flow. We select our page flow and press Select. We can check and validate that the page flow has been added correctly. Next, we are going to go back to the main page. It's time to register our EnGenius Access Point. We will go to the Portal Management tab and select Structure. We go to the Devices tab and press the red button to add devices. We are going to select the EnGenius brand in this menu. Then, we need to enter the MAC address of the device. You can locate the MAC address in the EnGenius dashboard. Go to the Manage Access Points menu, and in the list of access points you will find the MAC address. From there you can copy and paste the MAC address in the corresponding field. Finally, you can put a descriptive name for your device. We press Save. We can confirm that the access point EnGenius has been added correctly. Now comes the moment of truth. We are going to do a connection test. We will do a Wi-Fi scan to locate the SSID that we created for this test. We select the SSID and we will be redirected to the Linkyfi Captive Portal. We press Submit to continue with the login procedure, and we press Done. Congratulations, we have successfully connected to the internet using a Linkyfi Captive Portal Service with an EnGenius Access Point. We will enter the eBay page to confirm connection to the internet. With this, we have finished this demonstration. We thank you for your preference with EnGenius as your solution for your Wi-Fi networking needs. Thank you very much.